Hello friends, we have seen expression of future time. There are many ways of expressing future time. That's the most common one, as we have seen. That's with will. Will plus bare infinitive. Bare infinitive, this is the way to express, the common way to express, very common, very often used and confused as tense, future tense. Understand? Now that's about the name. Let's forget about that for the time being. You understand, to express future time, the symbol and the very common way of doing that is using will plus infinitive. That is, go will be will to go. This is the full form. Will to go. This is the thing. Now we are just deleting these two. Then what happens is, the infinitive is always preceded by to go, to come, to sit, like this. When you delete this, it becomes a bare infinitive. So in this case it is like that. Therefore you will get it will go, will come. That's why you find in distribution, this is the form. That is will plus bare infinitive, that means infinitive without to. Now what happens is, infinitive does not undergo any change. Therefore, whether you say I will go, you will go, she will go, he will go, it will go, they will go, we will go, you will go will remain the same. Why? Because it is not a verb. If it is a verb, then it should change its form. Like he goes, she goes, like that. It is an infinitive, so it will not change. Understand? Yeah. So after the form, this is the form. Now that is step 1. Step 2 is distribution. You can distribute the form of this verb only in 6 places, as we know. That is first person singular, I will go. Then second person singular, you will go. And third person he, she, it will go. And first person plural, we will go. Second person plural, you will go. And third person plural, they will go. They will go. So go does not have any change. Does not undergo any change. Understand? So will go, etc. Now the next is, so no problem in distribution because there is only one form. Okay. And now the next third step is negative. Negative, as you can see, is not. So I will go will be I will not go. So usually we contract this. Contract this means shorten this, and the shortened form will be I won't go. I won't go. You won't go. She won't go. It won't go. I won't go. We won't go. You won't go. And they won't go. Not willing to go. Understand? So short form is not willing, want. Short form is will, not willing. You cannot say willing. Will not is not willing. There is no such form in English. Willing. Want. W-O-N apostrophe S, that is will not go. Clear, very clear to you, isn't it? Now very simple. First 3 steps we have done already. Learning any tense we go in step by step. First is the form, second is the distribution, and third is the negative. Fourth is the yes or no question, fifth is WH question, and then you have got the passive. So the remaining forms we will see later. Today let us be satisfied with this form. And we will have an exercise, and the interesting thing again is that will can be shortened. Will can also be shortened. So the shortened form of will is that is I will go. Shortened form will be I'll go. See, I'll go. I'll go. Understand? I'll go, it'll go, she'll go, like that. So this WI, that is deleted. And then instead you put an apostrophe. He will go. He'll go. He'll go. She'll go. She will go. This is the shortened form or contracted form of be. Is that alright? So suppose you get a verb, then how are you going to make the future form? Future form just by adding will. Will when shortened it is ill, and when will not shortened it will be want. Now there are other ways of doing it. I told you, yes. Already we have discussed this thing. Now if you are say eat, drink, swim, etc. The future tense will be he will eat, I will eat, you will eat, she will swim, she wants him, I want him, they want him, I will swim, she will swim. Simple. So what will you do? You will make some 20 sentences, okay? And you can do like this. See, you have got eat. This is very important for our existence now. That's why I am taking this eat always. Okay, you can write like this, I will eat. Then you write the contracted form, I will eat. Then negative form, I won't eat. So thus, if you have got 10 verbs, if you do like this, that will be minimum, it will be 30 sentences. You will be generating and read aloud. Reading aloud is the first step to speaking fluently in English. Try this exercise by tomorrow and we will continue with this time future in the near future. Okay, till then, bye.